NBFC voted unanimously to leave the policy repo rate unchanged at 4%. It also decided to continue with the accommodative stance of monetary policy as long as necessary, at least through the current financial year and into the next year, to revive growth on a durable basis and mitigate the impact of COVID-19. Inflation is likely to remain elevated, with some relief in the winter months from prices of perishables and bumper Kharif arrivals. The signs of recovery are far from being broad-based and are dependent on sustained policy support. Near-term financial stability risks have been contained. Economic contractions have started to ease. Portfolio flows into emerging markets have recovered, and hard currency bond issuances have strengthened for those with stronger credit ratings. Throughout this period, the Reserve Bank acted preemptively to face head-on the challenges posed by the virus and manage the fallout of the pandemic on the Indian economy. Our overall endeavor is that going forward, output and employment losses get quickly recouped in an environment of macroeconomic and financial stability. We remain strongly committed to preserve the stability of the financial sector and will do whatever is necessary on this front. Overall bond market conditions have evolved in an orderly manner and engendered a congenial conditions ready to undertake further measures as necessary to assure market participants of access to liquidity and easy financing conditions. The current regulatory regime for NBFC sector, built on the principle of proportionality, warrants a review. It is felt that a scale-based regulatory approach linked to systemic risk contribution of NBFCs could be the way forward. The RTGS system will soon be made 24/7 in the next few days, and this was announced in the last MPC. With this enablement, it is proposed to reduce settlement and default risk in the system by facilitating settlement of AEPS, IMPS, NETC, NFS, RuPay, UPI transactions on all days.
It is rare to get information that is tailor-made for you. In this era of clutter, Money Control, India's #1 financial destination, has launched Money Control Pro, an ad-free premium service that offers you subscribers curated markets data, exclusive trading recommendations, and actionable investment ideas, which help you stay on top of your game. In less than a year, Money Control Pro has become India's fastest growing subscription service, with more than 1.2 lakh active subscribers and growing by the minute. We are grateful to all our loyal users for making Money Control Pro an undisputed leader in its category, with several corporate giants subscribing in large numbers for their employees. Subscribe today for a seamless, uninterrupted access to a gamut of business and financial information. Be a pro with Money Control Pro.